Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something truly special for all the horror movie fans out there. We're diving into the world of fright with the best Scream sweatshirt on the market. The Bioworld Ghostface. Want to watch scary movies? Graphic hoodie? Whether you're a die-hard horror enthusiast or just looking for a comfy and stylish addition to your wardrobe, this hoodie is definitely worth your attention. Let's start with the design. This hoodie features a bold and iconic image of Ghostface, the infamous villain from the Scream franchise. The design not only captures the eerie essence of the character but also makes a statement, perfect for those chilling movie nights. The phrase, "Want to watch scary movies?" is printed alongside, adding a fun and playful twist to the overall look. This hoodie is crafted from a high-quality blend of 60% cotton and 40% polyester. This combination ensures that it's not only soft and breathable but also durable and flexible, making it ideal for both lounging around the house and heading out for a casual day with friends. The fabric is designed to withstand wear and tear, so you can enjoy wearing it time and again without worrying about fading or losing its shape. The attached hood comes with a drawstring, which provides extra warmth on those cold nights, whether you're binging your favorite horror films or just enjoying a cozy evening at home. It's functional, stylish, and perfect for all your chilly adventures. Available in classic black, this hoodie pairs well with just about anything in your wardrobe. It's perfect for layering, and it comes in a range of sizes to fit all fans of the genre. Whether you're getting it for yourself or as a gift for a fellow horror lover, it's sure to impress. Now, let's talk about care. It's machine washable, which means maintenance is a breeze. Just toss it in with light colors, tumble dry, and you're good to go. This makes it incredibly convenient for anyone who wants to keep their apparel looking fresh without a lot of effort. And here's the best part. This hoodie is officially licensed merchandise, which means you're getting an authentic piece of Scream memorabilia. It's not just a clothing item, it's a piece of horror history that you can wear. Imagine the conversations you'll spark while wearing this eye-catching piece. Whether you're attending a Halloween party, going to a horror movie marathon, or just hanging out with friends, this Ghostface hoodie is a versatile addition to your collection. It's not just about style, it's about making a statement and showing off your love for the genre. So, if you're ready to add a touch of frightful fun to your wardrobe, look no further than the Bioworld Ghostface. Want to watch scary movies? Hoodie? It's the perfect blend of comfort, style, and fandom. Don't miss out on this must-have piece for any horror movie lover. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future reviews. What do you think about this hoodie? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay spooky.